support teams na amfa masa be na man Colombia nyamfa maybe 2 teams na go final no see amehwe baby am support but me 2 teams na go final. She's done a great job because first of all unse Netherlands one of the we call last World Cup Eddie Silva they lost to the US by 2-0 and Netherlands and call final in Netherlands and crowd omunya ma football omunya powerhouse but she was able to do something great like that. Oba Euro by England man so Euro no move for Ibida. Look at what she's done with them. Then England are called semi-final 2015, 2019, but England and drew the stage final. They've never been at the final before.
Yes.
Then this woman, in a span of 4 years, 2 nations are Mundu final that she's been able to get them to the final. Now this time, near uniquely, the first one is because she met the most established women football team in the US.
Yes.
Until lose it to my news. But this time, no. 2 first-timers in the finals. Until a combat me at the Havana. So they to make history before she's done. But Adibakwa, another game, no, this lady, look, on the Bobo member
Samke.
The Chelsea girl. No. Her technical ability I'm telling you the truth, yeah. Her technical ability is exceptional. Yeah. Now we are 25 years old. This 25 years.
Yes.
Born no boy no. Now on say born no come the man no. Now Mary Fowler, her colleague, now I take you for left side or experience of pass but for Adrian what the trim who say no goalkeeper Mary Apps abandon him kakra and he maintaining Bobo no free no this and I only give Bradley players call this. That is brilliance at its best. Oh, or TZ Alex Greenwood, or Tracy Alex Greenwood, and a Jessica. Correct, pa. Brilliant. Top class. But now the English team created a lot of chance. That's why I'm saying that my idea. Now this system on board the 3 back, 4 midfield, and 3 up front. No. Not by default too, because now didn't you know Karawash pray. And the main create a system because on first game it was a 4-3-3. But all ball we know say so that players no Rashad Dali, Mone Lucy Bronze, one better me function as better wing backs in this system than when they play as full backs. And the ones that Karawash by a crano is still operating. Sena Katized Zelem and a ball Karawash absent. Karawash by on say she's still playing that step because it brings the best out of Rashad Dali on the right wing
SOMPA
and then Lucy Bronze, Barcelona girl on the left wing. So they play so well. I mean, and the 3 center backs, no, Millie Bright. Look, in this game, Millie Bright, 58 minutes, corner beer, na kata 2 year head or missed. But almost go, no, apart from go now, Alessia Arusu, Laura Hampshire, no. The goal, can go every Millie Bright, the captain of the team, a long ball, Ella Carpenter, MBC ball, no, or misjudge it, and a Laura Hemp far behind and then scored. Now, all chances are almost create here in this game, so enormous. I mean, 15 shots, 5 on target, yes, so enormous. And there's understanding between Laura Hemp and Russo. It's incredible understanding. Between the 2 of them, they created 7 chances. Oh. Now, Elatun, actually, now Lauren James sister, no, one share no one for so in the finals. Because the contribution, contribution, a brilliant contribution. We move from at this time. We move from heading.
You are doing the party there.
No, they are looking favorable about Spain. Now, Osha, aside that, I'm a good goalkeeper in America. And I was ready. So you realize that Enra Mary Epps, look, Enra 4 good saves, and that's a mark of a good goalkeeper. In difficult times, who expects the goalkeeper will come out and do that. And so, Mamino, why are they extremely well? I will be so excited, even though Barcelona players that dominate Spanish national team. Thankfully, Karawash any Lucy Bronze Barcelona for. So, but I mean, because of a Juma Mamina in a short spell of time, impact Awanya. There's a team, Amobano, their first 3 started. Leon Williams is center back captain, Wamba, Wepra. Bet mid, number one striker. It's not here. Midfielder. Uyi Kera watch the second most important person ekran Kebi, also Opera.
Yeah.
So she came into a tournament with even 3 starters. But yes, so you will not even see the difference. Look, this is the kind of women that they can coaching member team and Gary. The understanding of game no anyhow or shiny team no is brilliant. And Saturday I'll go into details about Spain.
Will be team and results have been
there's a G2.
Oh man, yeah, the champion.
Say a sporting club, in your football club.
We are the champion.
We are proper sporting club.
And I know G2.
Ose.
But we are mara. We are the Chelevados.
Oh, no crow. Usha near Salma, I ain't going to be.
We are the champion.
Oh, yeah, dear Chen Lewandowski. See,
Apostle.
Once I leave, some
Lewandowski, we need the apostle. About the comfort Tata no speak power.
Comfort Tata on your Juma.
That is a defenders in a penomushishan and you know
that's a map of it. It's going to happen, but we are a striker. You must always make sure that you are inventive. Now, but as Juventus, your Thompson Major, no be mount and for a question. No,
see, I don't need to
now. Salah, Momo, England, the defenders and Tata on the That's how it is.
I like it.
Now, Mamelodi Sundowns now could do job in a Janamfa. Now, sometimes I'll be dreamy, and by the in almost the name dreamy or a reality, but just say no money in the package. Almost the night I say middleweight, ni heavyweight, akoshia, boxing, crying mind beam. Now, almost purpose it. I say, Mbekatro say, share the Glamour Boys, Kaiser Chiefs, any Sanders boy now. Unsena tower.
Yes.
But before me cut out, me shall wake a crown. Uyana Matwasu. The reason why that is happening between Sanders and Ali. So that is Persitao on personal. So the technical quality of Persitao is at stake in all the discussion. Today, this is Esperance. Okay, I said this game against Esperance 3-0 now way, Champions League. Semi-final, share 2 goals.
Yes. Okay,
good. Okay, I say Cotton Sport Garua, or share goal, 4th goal, Mamu Karabanya hat-trick, or my 2 assists. Raja Casablanca, or my 1 assist to Hamdi Fati goal, no. Then in the final game, or share go. First leg, final game, 2-1, no, or share go. Now, basically, this player is on African continent. There's no player better than this player on African continent.
Persitao.
Nobody.
Play BNO.
Nobody. Club football. Obiandio. And also, I'm going to see how, because see, time I waiting by no Pito Diba, they were questioning some of the former players were questioning why Pito brought him. So they say, now me, as I say so, me, Anna Jimmy D. He's making it. Now, the whole argument is that technically, this player, he can play as a left winger, a right winger, as a number 10, second striker, and or a top assist. When it comes to top passer of the game, African continent will be anyway. Club football. Now, Sanders say Omukofpa $2 million. I confirm from Ali.
$2 million.
$2 million. So, Omachro call. Third one, Ali responded and said, Musumu dear, Kakra, but Mumia Penny, Mojibaku, Yajitem. Then the home said, we can't turn one African club. Even the least we will sell him for an African club a year, an amount of $5 million. That's one. Sell your African club, no person will tee offer crap for Persita $5 million. But I'm person Okwa Brichibium. Also about Brighton now.
Yes.
And the Okwa Brichibium, even though they need it for 3 competitions, and World Club Championship also Alibaba, Cup Championship, African Football League, near Super Cup 3. So they have crucial game. The coach Masako has said they should not sell him. But obviously, somebody turn one a Bruchi club, which is near open at $10 million. But I had the $5 million. So $5 million.
Abibima.
That African club, yes. Persita. And you know, look.
I want Kabwa Maya or Ghana.
Abuena, sir.
Because I say, Obuya Mobala,
Obusru,
Obuya Mobala, Mama Ibia. I'm a pabicho. Now we know you league more quality than radio. So, one Ali does all this, but Ali Sutia said, Liverpool Becca said, Yomba, a big club Becca Zomba. So, I know about it in Africa, dear.
So Sundowns thought that because this now Osha the entire 2016 CAF Champions League winning team now. The only person who is doing very well still, I don't know. 2016 team now Osha is like 3-1. No, Ononkwa Dennis Onyango, yes, he's still there. He's on the bench. Temas when he started from the bench, he's still there. But Osha Canabiliat, Kaiser Chiefs Canabiliat is struggling with injuries. Osha Kegandoli, also what Chiefs is here. Okobomompi no buy or Omunya struggle. Siana Mabunda is out of the game. Holonfoko Kena is also out of the time. Come from midfield to attack. Anthony Lafo boy no Ajaibo. So in real terms, from 2016 he's been playing exceptionally consistently well. South African national team, he's the biggest star in the Bafana team.
Yeah.
Onimbiage
Omubrepa.
You understand? So you're so exceptional. I said now 2 million is not a good money for him. And Ali Kralu in the Ali team, 2 players spend irreplaceable. Or no, any Mohamed Leshena will goalkeeper no.
Yeah.
Irreplaceable. So that's how valuable is. So say almost 5 million per for now. You should understand why Ali are saying that if you want to come Africa, you consider 5 million. Because the ball no bono or Sefa is even worth more than that. His quality this year Ali champions gonna win here about 50% of the work on the air.
And passes square.
Because Osha goes now, pass now, make you know, the assist is so spot on. The assist is so spot on that here we have mistake. Need you know your tailor measure like never be tall 9 so no. Never tall 9 so this should be and a president man. So for me, say Ali are saying that is it. And I can tell you say Ali will not lose him. Because just 2 weeks ago, in principle, they extended his contract. So now he'll be the highest earner in Ali. 200,000 a week.
200,000 a week.
That's what it's going to is. That's his
200,000 a week.
Yes, they've might negotiate with BR. Because some person worthy of say like Sanders ye some pen.
200,000 cities.
No. But Ali, the least paid player is $50,000. So please.
I was the matter why I made that say.